Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as you can see, the market is right now trading at 1729. This is the current market price of gold here, and you can also see I have got two lines on the chart. So let's try to understand what are the trading possibilities and opportunities for us on the chart of gold. And if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you made good profit yesterday when gold broke the important level of 1720. Okay, but yes, we were hoping for a heavy fall in the market, but still a profit of around 100 pips is not a matter of joke, because gold made a low of 17.8. so obviously you have caught a profit of 70 to 80 pips, I believe so. Okay, I have received so many emails, so I am really happy. Okay, anyways, let's try to understand the trading opportunities for the day. First of all, you must understand one thing very well, that though gold, listen to me carefully, though gold broke the level of 1720, it is still trading above 1720 again. So somehow it regained its position. I'm not saying that 1720 is a very strong support. The strongest support on the chart of gold is at 1680. Okay, but still somewhere down the line, gold is not ready to go down. So therefore, in case market comes down to the previous low or yesterday's low of 1708, we can expect some support again. Listen to me carefully. Okay, if gold comes down to a level of 1708, we can expect some support again. Why? Because yesterday gold bounced from this particular level here. So there are some players in the market who were present and they did not allow the market to fall. They did not allow gold for a free fall. So obviously there are some presence of certain traders around 1708 level. So as a result, we can expect that by today or tomorrow, in case gold comes down to 1708, 1709 level, okay, there may be some sort of support again. Okay, so if gold bounces or reverses from 1708, 1709 level, you can go for a buy position. But keep in mind, when gold will be reaching the 1708 level, you need to observe the market first. After all, observation will be extremely important. If you see that market is taking support, then only go for a buy position. If you see that market is forming a hammer kind of a pattern, market is forming showing price rejection from below, that will give you the confirmation that yes, the support of 1708, 1709 is still valid and you can go for a buy position. In case there is a heavy sell comes to the market, and if you see the market is forming big red candles, okay, in that case you can take a sell position below 1708 level, just like you all did yesterday. So see, no level is permanent in the market, so a trader must decide when the time will come. Okay, so you must be very careful, and as a trader you must be very flexible also. Okay, and before I proceed, I would like to mention, my dear friends, tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'll be conducting the world's most affordable workshop. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, then please check out the link in the description, and hopefully you really like it. Because again, I won't be able to conduct workshop for a long period of time. So if you're interested, then please sign up. Okay. And today we also have some important news. You can see that after 7 hours 37 minutes, we have initial jobless claims, continuous jobless claims. So there will be some volatility again. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, there may be some volatility, craziness in the market again. So please use proper stop loss and proper risk management as well. Okay, so for today, whether you're day trader, okay, position trader, doesn't matter, 1708 to 1709 will be an important level. If market bounces from here, you can go for a buy, and if you find market breaking the level and going down, you can go for sell again. 1720 is no longer an important level. Okay, if you are following a different strategy, then that's your personal opinion, but at least today I'll not suggest to any position below 1720. Okay, and moreover, okay, and if you find gold going up from here, listen to me, if you find gold going up from here, then we can expect some selling around 1747. We can expect some selling around 1747 to 1750 level. Why we can expect some sell? Because this is the level, okay, this is the level where we have seen price rejection from above. Okay. If you look at the chart carefully, then you know it very well that gold is in downtrend. Okay, gold is in downtrend. In the downtrend market, following the trend is the best option. Yes, I have been talking about buying position, but if you are really looking for safe trading opportunities, then yes, taking a sell position in a downtrend market is the best thing to do. Okay, so if market reverses from 1750 1747 level, definitely you can go for a sell position, because we have seen market rejecting the price around this level. Okay, and one more thing I would like to add here, that is the 50 moving average. You can see the 50 moving average has also been acting as dynamic resistance here. So around 1747 level, or when market will be around this level, okay, the 50 moving average will also be in the same position. So we have got a static resistance or previous resistance, previous price rejection level, plus we also have the 50 moving average working as dynamic resistance. And one more thing I would like to show you, that is the Fibonacci retracement level. You can see that we also have the additional confirmation from Fibonacci around this level. Okay, so there is a high chance, high possibility that if market goes up also, market will face some selling pressure around this level again. Okay, so if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, if you see market showing shooting star candle pattern or any good price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, the resistance is still valid and you can go for a sell position. My dear friends, I would like to mention that without confirmation, do not trade, because a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, so please be careful, follow proper risk management, and see, whatever I have discussed so far, I may be wrong also, this is my analysis, so please follow your own risk management. One more thing, that see, whatever levels we have discussed today, okay, these levels are important. These levels will should work under normal circumstances. In case there is a news in the market, okay, because we have a news coming up, okay, in case of extreme volatility, no levels work in the market. You must understand very well that fundamentals always dominate the technicals. Okay, so do not compromise with the risk management. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.